Hello student, today we are going to solve the MCQ. Now see the MCQ first is if sec x into cos 5x plus 1 is equal to 0 where x lie between 0 to 2 pi, then find the value of x. So see, for finding the value of x we have to give the equation. The equation is here sec x into cos 5x plus 1 is equal to 0. Now for finding the value of x, first of all we will transform this equation to the standard result. Okay, now see, first of all take sec x into cos 5x as it is equal to 1 is in the left hand side, transform to the right hand side, we get the value minus 1. Okay, now we know that the standard forms are represented only into the sine function, cos function and tan function. Okay, now first of all sec x transform to the right hand side, we can write cos 5x is equal to minus 1 upon sec x. Okay, now the reciprocal of sec x, we got the cos x, so we can write cos 5x is equal to minus 1 upon sec x is also cos x. Okay, but all result आपले कशाच्या फॉर्म मध्ये आहेत, sec x is equal cos x is equal to cos x. So in this equation first of all eliminate this minus sign. So in that case we have to apply the allied angle formula. Now we know that the cos trigonometry is negative in the second quadrant. In a second quadrant and third quadrant cos is a negative. Take a initial quadrant and in this quadrant we take the angle pi minus x. So this term we can write cos 5x as it is equal to cos of pi minus x. And we know that pi lie on the x-axis आणि x axis वरती trigonometry change होत नाही, म्हणजे cos चा या ठिकाणी काय नाही cos. But these angle pi minus x lie in a second quadrant, and in a second quadrant we know that cos trigonometry determine a negative sign. So here take a negative sign, so we get minus cos x. So this result is of the form cos theta is equal to cos alpha, and we know that the solution of this type of equation is theta is equal to 2n pi plus minus alpha. Okay, so first of all compare these two equation, we get, see here theta is here 2x and alpha is here pi minus x. So these two values are replaced by 5x and pi minus x. So we can write the solution of this equation is theta is here 5x is equal to 2n pi, take as it is, plus minus alpha is here pi minus x. So now simplify this equation and find out the value of x. So we can write 5x take as it is 2n pi plus pi minus x, or value x is equal to, write down 2n pi minus आणि या ब्रॅकेटला जर मल्टिप्लाय केलं तर आपल्याला मिळेल मायनस पाय, मायनस मायनस इज प्लस x. Okay, now see here x is a negative in the right hand side, transform to the left hand side, 5x plus x, we write 6x is equal to, take a common factor of these two terms is pi, in bracket 2n plus 1 into pi. Therefore here value of x is 2n plus 1 into pi divided by 6. Simplify second equation, we can write here is the negative positive sign. Take this term to the right hand side, left hand side. 5x minus x, we can write 4x is equal to, common factor of this term is pi. We can write 2n minus 1 into pi. Okay, now find out the value of x is here. 2n minus 1 pi divided by 4. And in both equations, value of n is belongs to integer number same. Okay, now these are the both are the value of x, but we want the value of x they lie between 0 to 2 pi only. So ज्यावेळी आपण या ठिकाणी बघा निगेटिव्ह नंबर या ठिकाणी सबस्टिट्यूट करणार आहे. n इज अ इंटीजर नंबर सेट आहे. ज्यावेळी तुम्ही निगेटिव्ह इंटीजर घ्याल त्यावेळी ऑल दोज व्हॅल्यू आर डज नॉट बिलॉंग्स टू दिस फॅक्ट. सो टेक ओनली पॉझिटिव्ह व्हॅल्यू ऑफ इंटीजर नंबर सेट. ओके, सो फर्स्ट value of n is, take here n is equal to 0. So we get the value of x is here. X is equal to, by putting the value of n is 0, we got here is the get 0 term pi by 6. Value of x is pi by 6. And in that case we put the value of n is 0, we get the value minus pi by 4. And minus pi by 4 is not included in this fact. Okay, now take a different value of n is here 1. By putting value of n is here 1, we get, see here 2 into 1 2 plus 1 is here 3 pi by 6. We get the value 3 pi by 6 is pi by 2. By simplifying 3 pi by 6 we get pi by 2. Okay, same value put in this result. See here 1. By putting n is 1, 2 into 1 is 2. 2 minus 1 we get 1. 1 into pi by 4. Okay, write down here value pi by 4. Now put the next integer is 2. Value of n is here 2. 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. We get the value 5 pi by 6. Okay, now see here same value put in this result. By putting 2 2s are 4. 4 minus 1 we get the 3. So here we can write 3 pi divided by 4. Now the next integer number is here 3. By putting value of n is 3 here, put value of n is 3. 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 1 we get is 7. So write 7 pi by 6. Same integer put in this term. n is here 3. 3 2s are 6. 6 minus 1 we get 5. 5 pi by 4. 5 pi divided by 4. Now the next integer number is here 4. By putting 4 8 we get the value here 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 pi by 4. Same integer put in that case. We can put here put 4. 4 2s are 8. 8 minus 1 we get 7. 7 pi by. So write down here is the 6. 7 pi by 4. Now next integer is 5. By putting here 5 we get the values here. 2 5s are we get value 10. 10 plus 1 is 11. 11 pi by 6. Okay, now same integer put in here 5. 10 minus 1 we get here, see here 10 minus 1 is here 9. 9 pi by 4. And see here ratio of these two term is 2 point something. We get 2.4 to 8. So 2.2 pi. But we know that this value 9 pi by 4 is not included in this value. Okay. Now ज्यावेळी आपण 5 च्या पेक्षा ग्रेटर इंटीजर या दोन्ही कंडिशन मध्ये पुट करणार आहोत त्यावेळी त्या सगळ्या व्हॅल्यूज तुमच्या या इंटरवल मध्ये काय होत नाहीत, लाई होत नाही. ओके, ओनली ऑल these values are included in this span, but all the options. Okay, so see the option only the value pi by 4. Value of x is pi by 4 is included in your option C. So these value only satisfying our given equation. Okay, so the correct answer of first MCQ is pi by 4. Now let's to move towards from the next MCQ. See here, if R is the radius of the circumcircle of the triangle ABC and delta is its area, then find out the radius of the circumcircle. So see here, we have to give, in this problem we have to give the area of triangle ABC is delta. We know that in triangle ABC, see here, ABC, opposite angle, so sorry, length of opposite side of angle A is denoted as small a, opposite side of angle B is here small b, opposite side of angle C is here small c. Okay, now first of all we have to find the circumradius of this triangle. Okay, now we know that जे सर्कल ट्रायंगलच्या अँग्युलर पॉइंट मधून पास होणार आहे ते काय आहे तुमचं सर्कम सर्कल, आणि या सर्कम सर्कलची आपल्याला काय फाइंड करायची आहे, radius find करायची आहे. Here is the radius of the circumcircle. Okay, now see, for finding the radius of the circumcircle we know that the area of triangle ABC is, we know that the formula for area of triangle, suppose we have to give two sides and included angle of two sides, we can write area of triangle ABC is BC sin A. So see here, these two sides are given and included angle is here A. So in that case we have to find the circumradius in terms of side or area of triangle. Here delta is the area of triangle. Area of triangle is given as delta is equal to 1 by 2 into BC, and we know that here sine rule, we can write sine rule in terms of a sine. Sines, we know that sine of A divided by sine of A divided by small a is equal to, we can write here sine of B divided by small b is equal to sine of C divided by small c is equal to 1 divided by 2r. Okay, now see here, we want the value of sine A. We can write here, equate our first and last term, we can write sine A is equal to A divided by 2 times r. Okay, now by substituting value of sine A, in that case we can write BC A divided by 2r. Okay, now first of all simplify, right hand side we can write delta is equal to ABC divided by 4r, but we want the value of r, so we can write r is equal to ABC divided by 4 times delta. Okay, now it is the correct answer. So see here, in that case the circumradius of triangle ABC is here, r is ABC divided by 4 delta. So remark, we can write the remark. Suppose we have to give the three sides of triangle ABC and circumradius is also given. We can write the area of triangle ABC is ABC divided by 4R. Suppose we have to give the sides of triangle ABC and circumradius is given. We write the formula for area of triangle ABC is ABC divided by 4R. So write down this problem. Now see the next MCQ is here. Let PQR be a triangle of area is here. Area of triangle is delta. With side A is here 2. Value of B is 7 by 2. Value of C is 5 by 2. Where ABC are the length of the sides of the triangle opposite to the angles at PQR respectively, then find the value of 2 sin P minus sin 2P divided by 2 sin P plus sin 2P. So, see here, first of all, we have to give the information. The length of sides of triangle PQR. See here, in this triangle PQR, give the information. Opposite side of angle P is here A and length of this side QR is here 2. Opposite side of angle Q is here B and length of this side is gives 7 by 2 and opposite side of angle R is here C and length of C gives 5 by 2. Okay, now using all this information we have to find the value of 2 sin P minus sin 2P divided by 2 sin P plus sin 2P. So first of all we have to give. आपल्याला काय दिले बघा या ठिकाणी हा जो ट्रायंगल आहे या ट्रायंगलच्या काय दिलेले आहेत साइड्स दिलेल्या आहेत. म्हणजे आपल्याला ABC मध्ये ट्रिग्नोमेट्री पहिल्यांदा काय करायची आहे ट्रान्सफॉर्म करायची आहे. And we know that the half angle formula we can represent in terms of A, B and C. So first of all we have to find the perimeter of triangle ABC and we know that 2S is perimeter of triangle ABC is here. 2S is A plus B plus C. So 2S take as it is. We know that the value of A is here 2 plus B 7 by 2 plus C 5 by 2 5 by 2 take 2 as it is. Sum of these two term is here. LCM is 2. 5 plus 7 we can write 12. Ratio of these two term is here 2 plus 6. So value of 2s is here 8 implies value of s is 4. Okay, now find the value of sin 2 sin p minus sin 2p whole term divided by 2 sin p plus sin 2p. आणि या ठिकाणी आपल्याला जी इन्फॉर्मेशन माहित आहे we know the value of s, a, b and c. So first of all this term we will transform to the half angle formula. Okay, so here p is transformed to the angle p by 2. So first of all in that case we have to use the double angle formula, and we know that the formula for sin 2 theta. Sin 2 theta is here sin 2 theta into cos theta. Okay, now see here, put the value of sin 2p is 2 sin p minus 2 sin p. Use double angle formula, 2 sin p into cos p. Whole term divided by, take 2 sin p as it is, plus double angle formula for sin 2p is here 2 sin p into cos p. Okay, now first of all take a common factor of numerator is here 2 sin p. In bracket we can write 1 minus cos p. Okay, now also take a common factor of denominator is here 2 sin p. In bracket we can write 1 plus cos p. Okay, now this term get cancelled. We can write here 1 minus cos p divided by 1 minus cos p divided by 1 plus cos p. So also we will transform p to the half angle. Now we know the half angle for angle p is t by 2. So use the formula for, we know that 1 plus cos 2 theta. We can write here 2 cos square theta and 1 minus cos 2 theta. These are the double angle formula is here 2 sin square theta. Okay, now use both formula. In that case we can write here 1 minus cos p is 2 sin square t by 2 divided by 1 plus cos p is 2 cos square t by 2. These two get cancelled. Ratio of sin upon cos we know tan square t by 2. Okay, now use the half angle formula in terms of a tan. We know that half angle formula of tan p by 2 is square root of, see here, p is here, p is consider as here. We know that the opposite side of angle A is small a, angle B is small b, angle C is small c. But here we have to give triangle ABC is here P, Q and R. So P is also consider the angle A. Okay, now use the formula for here tan P is also angle A. Formula for A by 2 is square root of S minus B into S minus C whole term divided by S in bracket S minus A bracket. Here is the tan square, so write down bracket square. Square of this term is S minus B into S minus C divided by S in bracket S minus A. But see, the here we have to give the area of triangle PQR is here delta, and all options are represented in terms of delta. So आपल्याला ही टर्म काय करायची आहे, एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल मध्ये पहिल्यांदा काय करायचे आहे, ट्रान्सफॉर्म करायचे. And we know that suppose we have to give the 3 sides of triangle ABC. So area of triangle PQR is, we can write square root of here S in bracket S minus A S minus B into S minus C. Okay, and it is also we have to give the delta. So value of delta is here square root of S minus A S minus B into S minus C. So first of all we have to adjust, in that case S minus B into S minus C. So multiply numerator and denominator of S minus B into S minus C. Multiplying numerator and denominator by s minus b into s minus c. Okay, so we can write s minus b bracket square into s minus c bracket square whole term divided by s minus a, s minus b into s minus c. But we know that the area of triangle is here delta, so we take delta square is here s minus a, s minus b into s minus c. So put the value of denominator is here delta, so we can write here s minus b bracket square s minus c bracket square whole term divided by delta square. So we know the value of s, b and c. So put all these value in that case. We can write here s is 4 minus value of b is here 7 by 2 into s is 4 minus value of c is 5 by 2 whole term divided by delta square. So simplify this bracket. LCM is here 2. Sum of numerator, sorry, difference between numerator. Take a cross multiplication. 4 2s are 8. 8 minus 7 is here 1. Okay. Now take here cross multiplication. LCM is here 2. Cross multiply bracket square. 8 4 2s are 8. 8 minus 5 is here 3 bracket square whole term divided by here is the delta square. So square of this two term is here 3 square is 9. 2 square is 4. 2 square is also 4. 4 into 4 we can write here 16 divided by delta square. So we can write this term is 3 by 4 delta bracket square, and square of this term is also 9 by 16 delta square. Okay, so see here the correct option of this MCQ is here 3 divided by 4 delta bracket square. So first of all write down this MCQ. Now see, let's move towards from the next MCQ is here. In triangle ABC, a minus b bracket square sin square c by 2 plus a plus b bracket square sin square c by 2 is equal to, find out the value of this result. So for finding the value of this term is here a minus b bracket square cos square c by 2, okay, plus a plus b bracket square sin square c by 2. Okay, now we know that ज्यावेळेस आपल्याला ट्रायंगल सिम्प्लिफाय करायचं आहे किंवा सॉल्व करायचं आहे त्यावेळेस मोस्टली आपल्याला साइन रूल, कोसाइन रूल आणि प्रोजेक्शन रूलचा यूज करावा लागतो. Okay, now see, first of all simplify this bracket and we know the expansion of a minus b bracket square is here a square minus 2ab plus b square, take cos square c by 2 is as it is, plus expansion of a plus b bracket square is here a square plus 2ab plus b square sin square c by 2. Okay, now see here take a cross multiplication of this two term a square cos square c by 2. So and here multiplication of a square into sin square c by 2 is a square sin square c by 2. So common factor of this two term is here a square, and in bracket we write cos square c by 2 plus sin square c by 2. Now again take a cross multiplication of these two terms b square cos square c by 2. This two term is b square sin square c by 2. Common factor is here b square, and write cos square c by 2 plus sin square c by 2. Okay, now plus here cross multiplication of these two terms. Take here minus 2ab cos square c by 2 and 2ab sin square c by 2. So take a common factor is here 2ab. In bracket we can write minus cos square c by 2 plus sin square c by 2. Okay, now see here, take a common factor of this two term is here minus sign. Here we can take common minus sign. So this term we can write here positive, this term we can write here negative. Okay, so we got the terms here minus 2ab cos square c by 2 minus minus is plus 2ab sin square c by 2. Okay, now see here, take a square as it is. We know the value of sin square c by 2 plus cos square c by 2. In that case we have to use the identity. Sin square theta plus cos square theta, we get the value is here 1. So similar identity used in this bracket, we can write here is also 1. Take minus 2ab as it is, and here we write the use the double angle formula. We know that the formula for cos 2 theta is here cos square theta minus sin square theta. Okay, but here is the half angle, so this angle will transform into half. So we know the half of 2 theta is here theta. So right, use this formula in this bracket. We can write here cos c. Okay, now we will write a square plus b square minus 2ab cos c, and we know that the cosine rule. See here a b c. By using this cycle, we know that the square of sum of these two terms. Here we can write this c square. C square we can write a square plus b square. Takes here minus sign 2 times product of these two terms into included angle into these two sides is here c. So by using cosine rule, we know the value of a square plus b square minus 2ab cos c is here c square. So value of a minus b cos square c by 2 plus a plus b bracket square sin square c by 2 is c square. So the correct answer of this MCQ is here c square. So the next 2 MCQ, right from homework. The next MCQ is here tan inverse kx minus x cube divided by 1 minus kx square minus tan inverse 2x divided by 1 minus x square. Okay. Now next MCQ here is here tan of cos inverse x is equal to find out the value. Now in this way we will stop here.